Okay, so here's an introduction to Calculus 1. Okay, so basically, calculus is the whenever you measure the area in between a straight line and a squiggly line. So we're going to try to measure the area in between the straight line and the squiggly line. This is just one example. First, what you gotta do is you gotta draw a bunch of parallelograms. Not all the spaces have to be filled in all the way. So there you go. I've drawn 5 parallelograms. First, what you gotta do is, one of my fingers is about an inch long, and that's 1.5 inches, and that's 2 inches. I'm gonna just round this down to 1 inch, so that would be 2. So you do that. 2 plus. Okay, that's about 1/2, and that's about 0.25. So what you gotta do is 0.25 times 0.5 equals, guess what? 0.125. So what you gotta do is plus that by that was a mistake. You gotta do 2 plus 0.125, and that would equal 2.125. So what you gotta do now is measure another square. That's 1 inch by a ½ inch. So that would be 1 times 1/2, that would equal 1/2. You get what I mean? So that would equal 2.625. Now you gotta measure the last two. This one's 1/2 times 1. You know what that is. 1.5. Okay, so sorry, and that equals 4.125. Now you gotta measure the last one. It's 0.5 times 1, so that's 0.5, and this is just the estimated amount of area. So that would equal 4.625. So the area of this must equal 0.625. You get it? That's the estimated amount, because this is actually an example of something called a fractal. It's like take this for example. It's Sierpinski's triangle. It's where you draw a triangle, then you draw a bunch of upside down triangles in it. And if you ever heard of Vhart's channel, you know that she loves Sierpinski's triangle. And this is kind of like it, but with fractals, it always fills up. It never fills up. There's always room. So technically, it never fills up. So technically, 4.625 is actually just the estimated amount of area in between it. You get it? So I hope you liked this little introduction to calculus. If you liked it, thumbs up the video and share it, and bye.